What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, if you've been watching my previous videos, you know that I've been like super busy with life and, you know, my girlfriend and our dog and whatnot, and just in general. We've been tackling things as we go and working on, ourselves for a little while. We changed up the apartment completely. We got our own little, space and whatnot. So I'm super proud of, how far we've come, and, we got a lot of things to work on. But right now, I got to put some things on hold. Like in my last videos, like some things that I've been trying to do to the car and whatnot, I got to put on hold because some good and bad news, as you can tell by the video. I got a new camera and whatnot, so that's a plus, but we'll go out to the car and we'll get to explaining it. Alrighty, y'all. Here she sits. So, again, if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that I've just been kind of busy and I've been kind of behind on content and whatnot. So, the last video that I just posted, I created it back in, December, January or whatever, and I posted it, recently, but I'm trying to catch myself up and whatnot for you guys and just keep you guys kind of updated. And just because I haven't put much content out there and I want to put more content out there. Again, I took the roof racks back off for summertime-ish. It's now March, end of March. So I figured I'd take them off and give it that, just clean look again. But I was driving the other week and my car just kind of died on me, and I was like, what happened, and I tried to get a new battery, put a new battery in it, and it still wouldn't start. So I, asked around, and I finally came to the conclusion, and people told me, check out my fuel filter and whatnot. So I popped that open, and of course there was, metal shavings in my fuel filter, which I came to the conclusion that my high pressure fuel pump went out. So yeah, I got a lot of work cut out for me. Pretty much my whole fuel system is donezo in the car or whatever. I wish I would have, known that this was the consequence, because I probably would have gotten the high pressure fuel pump, like the new, upgraded one that they make. It's a CP3 or whatever, or yeah, CP3 kit or something like that. But so many people commented and told me I should get it, and I should have listened to you guys. So thank you for telling me, but I wish I would have done it, a long time ago. But that's all right. I've gathered most of the parts that I need to fix it. I got the fuel rail, fuel lines, I got the in-tank pump, I got another pump that's on its way. I just need to get the timing kit and then timing tools and get it done. Other than that, I just got to put some things on hold, obviously the car is not driving, so so yeah, but I just figured I'd give you guys a little update. This video might be a long video because I'll probably throw in some of the process of me fixing it and hopefully getting it back on the road. If not, I'll just have another video, coming out after this one that is it, being done and getting back on the road and back on the streets. Because man, I am just sad seeing it sit here. I don't have a daily, and I've been trying to find a daily, and I've been working on so many things. So I appreciate y'all's patience. But yeah, for right now, she is down and I am down in the dumps. I'm very sad about it, but I got parts, fuel rail, fuel lines, and then I got injectors and stuff. I got a whole new motor that I bought, just because it was way cheaper than buying all the parts brand new. And I got, a used motor, so I'm gonna hopefully, refurbish the parts or clean them up and hopefully be good to go. And I'm gonna be doing most of the work by myself, so it's gonna be pretty difficult, and it's gonna be a huge learning experience for me because I have never done anything like this before. So yeah, I'm hoping it all goes well and I can, get my car back going ASAP, because bro, not having it is ridiculous. So I just figured I'd give y'all a good update of what's going on. I'm hoping to have this done in the next like 2 weeks tops, you know, and back on the road and whatnot, because man, I can't do without a car, and I need my baby back on the road, man. This is just not okay. I feel like it's just like an itch that it is like I can't scratch, you know what I mean? Because I just don't have all the tools right now, and I can't get it done, and I don't have all the parts, but I want to. So yeah, but I gotta take out the back seat, take out the tank, and like clean out all the lines in the vehicle. Like I was saying, I got a whole new motor. I got fuel rail. I got a fuel rail off that motor. I got the fuel lines, injectors. I got the high pressure fuel pump. And I'm hoping that I can just, you know, find a CP3 kit for cheap or something like that, because I know that I've just been told like it's not worth putting another stock pump in there. So if anybody knows, you know, like anybody that's getting rid of a CP3 kit for, you know, not $800, $900, that'd be sick. But, or if anybody knows, you know, a cheaper CP3 kit that people sell, please shoot me a message, DM something, because like I really need to get a CP3 pump. It, you know, it ups the horsepower and whatnot. It lets you run way more horsepower, and you're able to run like way more fuel on the rail, or way more pressure on the rail, which is, you know, kind of what I need, because the car's tuned and you know, straight piped and whatnot. And I've just been told that I should get the CP3 kit if that's what if I'm going to keep it, you know, modded like that. So I really need to figure something out and get a CP3 pump, because I do not want this to happen again. So yeah, I don't know. Probably just gonna wrap it up right now for today. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow and, you know, tearing some of this car apart and getting it going, because I'm tired of sitting and looking at it. But, you know, I hope you guys are staying tuned on the channel and enjoying the videos and whatnot, and liking and subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. Like in one of my last videos, I think I mentioned my mod list video finally got to like 15,000 views, and I mean, that's just insane to me. I never ever would have expected that many views, likes, comments. So I appreciate y'all. Keep it up, and I'll you know, keep y'all updated. What's up, y'all? We're back. So it's been a few days, and over the last few days I kind of like realized something, and it's kind of a funny story. So my girlfriend, she was like, she was like yelling at me, you know, like, oh, you should just try and start it. You should just try and start it. It's been days, like, of just sitting here and whatnot. So I was finally like, okay, you know, like, I'll show you that it's not, you know, it's not going to start. It's not going to run, you know, right. It's not getting enough fuel. And it starts up, and like long enough for like us to sit there and be like, wait, what? Like, and then it like died. So I know that, like, so that's a really good sign, is it started up and it was fine. I just know I'm not getting enough fuel because it's clogged up, and like my injectors are probably clogged up. So I just need to replace the fuel system and whatnot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just buy like all new lines and whatnot, because after like talking with a bunch of people, I just don't trust putting in like used stuff and whatnot. It just, I don't know, like used parts, it just doesn't make sense. But the in-tank fuel pump that I have here, I got that off eBay, and like it's all wrapped up, like, and it looks pretty damn new, you know what I mean? Like, if anything, it's probably refurbished, and it has that like new smell, along with the other fuel pump, like the inline fuel pump that I have. I'll probably just use that one as well. But then the injectors and the fuel pump, the high pressure fuel pump itself, I will probably end up just getting the CP3 fuel pump kit, because I just don't trust putting in like a, you know, an old fuel pump or, you know, fuel lines in my car and it just not working right. So yeah, that's where we sit right now. I just figured I would come out here and let you guys know, you know. And I just will keep this video going, and probably, you know, just like Oh yeah, I got this all up and out, and I had my buddy come over and prime the pumps. I put a new filter in it and whatnot just to see if it would start, and it started up for another second and then died again, of course, because it's just not getting enough fuel. So I'm not gonna fuck with it anymore, or and just I don't want to mess it up any more than it already is. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get all the parts and get her done and fix it myself, I guess. I gotta get so the last things that I gotta get are all the lines, because I'm not gonna, I don't know, probably not gonna use those lines. And then like the high pressure fuel pump, CP3 kit, and then the timing kit. Those are the main things that I need. So not too much, but probably a lot of work. I'm assuming it's gonna be a little bit of work. So yeah, just stay tuned, y'all, and I appreciate you guys. And I'll keep pushing this content out there for you guys. Alrighty, y'all. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here with some good news and some bad news. I don't have all the parts to fix my car yet, so it's gonna be put on hold for a little bit. But and over here, as you can tell, the wife got a new little daily, so it'll be appearing on the channel a little bit here and there. We'll do a couple little mods to it. I'm excited to dig into it and help her out and fix it up and trick it out a little bit here and there. I'm stoked for her, super happy. She's super happy. So all in all, we picked it up for like a steal. So yeah, but just figured I'd end it right here and just gather up all the parts and then start a new video once I have all the parts and I'm fixing my car and whatnot. And then who knows, maybe we'll start modding that thing as well and get just a couple clips of it. But yeah, man, I can't wait to see them both together, and I can't wait to cruise together. That's gonna be super fun. So yeah, I look forward to doing that, and I appreciate y'all staying on the channel and whatnot and liking and subscribing. So keep it up.